Yo, what's up, squad? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a mind-blowing review of Sony's brand new WH-1000XM6. This bad boy is causing major buzz, and we're here to find out if it's the ultimate game changer in wireless noise-canceling headphones. First off, let me hit you with the straight-up deets. Sony has upped their game with the WH-1000XM6 by packing in a next-gen HD noise-canceling processor QN3 that's, get this, 7 times faster than the previous QN1 chip. With 12 intelligently tuned microphones working in real time, these headphones adapt to your surroundings like a boss, wiping out noise, even in the craziest environments. And it's not just about silence, it's about delivering pure, studio-quality sound. Imagine every note, every vocal coming through as if you were in a recording studio, thanks to the collab with top-notch mastering audio engineers. Now, if you're all about that comfort without sacrificing style, the WH-1000XM6 is where it's at. Sony has revamped the design with a wider, asymmetrical headband made from soft vegan leather and stretchable ear pads that feel like clouds. Plus, the foldable design means it's super portable, perfect for anyone always on the move. And yeah, the tactile buttons and intuitive touch controls let you adjust your music or switch modes without even picking up your phone. Total game changer for those hectic days. Get this! The headphones also come equipped with an adaptive NC optimizer and auto ambient sound mode. What does that mean for you? They adjust themselves based on your activity, the ambient noise, even the changing air pressure around you. Imagine cruising in a noisy cafe or rocking out on the train, and your headphones automatically fine-tune the noise cancellation and ambient audio to keep you immersed in nothing but your beats. Of course, all these epic features need to be powered up, and Sony delivers with a battery that lasts up to 30 hours, plus a quick 3-minute charge that gives you 3 hours of music. No excuses for a dead battery when you're in the zone. Plus, with Bluetooth 5.3, LDAC support for high-res audio, and the Sony Sound Connect app to customize your experience, you're set for an all-around premium listening journey. So, is the Sony WH-1000XM6 the ultimate game changer? In my opinion, with its insane noise-canceling tech, crystal clear sound, and design that screams comfort and style, it just might be the heavyweight champ in wireless headphones right now. But what do you think? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Let me know if these headphones are a tech dream come true, or if you're still waiting for something even crazier. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more next-gen tech reviews, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.